In today's video, I'm wanting to teach you how to check chat history in Perplexity. If you've used Perplexity for multiple searches or ongoing conversations, being able to find your previous chats can save you a lot of time. Instead of repeating a question or trying to remember what you asked before, you can simply open your history and return to past conversations whenever you need them. To get started, look over to the left sidebar in Perplexity. This is where you'll find the main navigation options for your account and workspace. From there, click on History. Once you select it, Perplexity will open a list of your previous conversations. This is the main place where your past chats are stored. So anytime you want to revisit something you asked earlier, this is where you'll go. After the History panel opens, take a moment to scroll through the list and find the conversation you want to review. When you see the one you're looking for, simply click on it. Perplexity will then open that chat so you can read through the full conversation again. This is especially useful if you want to continue working from a previous answer, copy information you've already generated, or double check something you discussed earlier. If you have a lot of past conversations, scrolling through the list manually may take a little longer. In that case, Perplexity also gives you another way to find what you need more quickly. You can use the search feature within your history. To do that, click the search icon, then type in a keyword related to the conversation you're trying to find. For example, you might enter a topic, a phrase from your original prompt, or a subject you remember discussing. As you type, it becomes much easier to narrow down the results and locate the exact chat you want. This search option is particularly helpful if your chat history is long, or if you use Perplexity frequently for different projects. A good tip here is to think of a specific word or phrase that would have appeared in the conversation, since that usually makes the search more accurate and faster. And that's all it takes to check your chat history in Perplexity. Just open the history section from the left sidebar, choose the conversation you want to view, or use the search icon and enter keywords to find it faster. Once you know where these tools are, going back to past chats becomes quick and easy.